ये इसलिए मिली कि उस समय जो 25-30 करोड़ आबादी थी, जो बलिदान के लिए तैयार हो चुकी थी, अगर 25-30 करोड़ लोग संकल्पबद्ध होकर के 20 साल 25 साल के भीतर भीतर अंग्रेजों को यहां से निकाल सकते हैं, तो आने वाले 25 साल में 140 करोड़ लोग विकसित भारत बना भी सकते हैं। दोस्तों,
मिशन as we stand 21st year away from the century of the India independent, the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047 is no longer a distinct aspirations. It is our immediate responsibility. The government of India had laid the foundation of $30 trillion economy, but a nation development is not measured as a GDP alone. It is measured by peace, sustainability, and global partnership. This is where our forum finds its purpose. Under the aegis of the Asia-Africa Development Council, the forum recognized that India range in extremely linked to the prosperity of the global South. By fostering a corridor of the innovation, trade, and cultural exchange between Asia and Africa, we are ensuring that Viksit Bharat become a beacon for a developing nation worldwide. Our mandate, managed by Council for Sustainable Peace and Development, our focus will remain steadfast, empowering the four pillars of Yuva, youth, Garib, poor, Mahila, women, and Annadata, farmers, that given by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, that will collaborating on the artificial intelligence, green energy, and digital infrastructure. Understanding that development cannot thrive without the bedrock of the stability and ethical governance. I invite every stakeholder here, policy makers, entrepreneurs, and scholars, to treat this forum as your laboratory for the change. Let's build a Bharat that is not just developed in the name, but a Bharat that leads the world towards a more equitable and peaceful century. The 21st century belongs to those who build together. Let's begin. Jai Hind.
माननीय अतिथिगण, हमारे भविष्य के निर्माण करता, आज पूरे दिन हमने विकसित भारत 2047 के हार्डवेयर पर चर्चा की, ई व्यापार